Nikon D3500 review, still the best DSLR for beginners. By Filhal Mark Viljan. Last update June 28, 2022. Teach reader verdict. It's now over 3 years old, but the Nikon D3500 remains the best DSLR around for beginners looking to embrace creative manual photography with a traditional setup. Built around a solid core of great image quality, intuitive menus, and a superb battery life, the D3500 now offers impressive value to mirrorless rivals. Should also be considered, particularly if you need a touchscreen or 4K video, but Nikon's entry-level DSLR continues to fly the flag for the forward by offering the kind of handling and value that mirrorless cameras struggle to match. Today's best deal at Amazon. Its pros. Number 1, excellent image quality. Number 2, remarkable 1550 short battery life. Number 3, a handy guide mode. Number 4, a compact for a DSLR. Number 5, easy to use. Cons: no 4K video, no touch screen control, Bluetooth but no Wi-Fi. 2 minutes review. The Nikon D3500 might be well over 3 years old, but it remains our number one pick for the title of Best Beginner DSLR, and even faces up well against stiff competition for the best DSLR camera. Overall, why so? While this is partly down to the lack of new competition, most manufacturers have no stopped making new DSLRs. It's also because the D3500 nails the basics is a way that few other cameras have managed. For starters, it delivers the three big advantages that DSLRs offer over their mirrorless alternatives: a superb battery life, great handling, and good value. The latter is partly because the D3500 has an optical viewfinder, unlike the EVFs found on mirrorless rivals, but also because its hug range of native lenses are no longer new enough to command high price tags. For that reason, the Nikon D3500 is one of the best cheap cameras you can buy. Nikon D3500 16GB black at Amazon for $904.95 US. While the D3500's age counts in its favor when it comes to price, it does mean it lacks some modern features. The first is a lack of 4K video capture, which is now standard on most new cameras. Although if you're happy with 1080p resolution on your are not that interested in videos at all, that shouldn't bother you too much. Kacha portable solar generators cleaners sale price might surprise you. Perhaps more limiting are the lack of an articulating screen and touch screen functionality, which means that the D3500 will take a little adjusting to for those coming from smartphones. If you think a touch screen is a deal breaker, then it's worth considering alternatives like the Canon EOS Rebel SL3, EOS 250D, or mirrorless camera like the Fujifilm X-T200. On the other hand, neither of those cameras come close to the D3500's 1550 short battery life, and it does components for the lack of a touchscreen with a handy guide mode for beginners, which takes you through the process of creating effects like a blurred background. This is a great way for inexperienced shooters to understand manual settings and start build their confidence and knowledge.